Spring by Gail Saunders-Smith. Spring. Here's the title page. Here's the table of contents. Today we will be reading about the weather in spring, people in spring, plants in spring, animals in spring. Here we go. Spring is a season for beginning. Spring comes after winter and before summer. The snow begins to melt. The days begin to warm. The sun shines and the rain falls. People put away their winter clothes. They play outside. They ride bikes and fly kites. People work outside too. Farmers plant seeds in fields. People plant seeds in gardens. Seeds begin to grow. Stems appear above the ground. Plants grow. Flowers bloom. Leaves grow on trees and bushes. Grass turns from brown to green. Some bears, bats, and snakes hibernate in winter. Hibernate is to sleep deeply. These animals wake up in spring. They look for food. Many birds fly north in spring. They build nests and lay eggs. Chicks hatch from the eggs. Deer, rabbits, and foxes give birth to young, which means they have babies. Frog eggs become tadpoles. Spring is a season for beginning. Here's some words that you should know. A bud is a part of a plant that grows into a flower or leaf. You'll see little tiny buds on the trees. They might be purple or green or pink. Those buds are going to turn into leaves. Field. A field is a piece of land where farmers grow plants. Hatch. Hatch means to come out of an egg. Hibernate. Hibernate means to sleep deeply through the winter. Melt. To soften and become like water. So the snow melts in spring. Plow. To break up the ground and prepare for planting. Season. One of the 4 parts of the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Sprout. To start to grow into a plant. The first part of a plant to come out of the ground. And we'll learn more about this. The seeds pop up a little sprout that comes up through the ground, and it's so cute and tiny. We'll get to see some sprouts. Stem. The long part of a plant that carries water and food between the leaves and the roots. Tadpole. A young frog. A tadpole has a tail and lives in the water. Thank you for listening to this story with me. I hope you enjoyed. Have a happy spring.